Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to set up Netgear Wi-Fi extender WN3000RP. Firstly, ensure all parts including the extender and power adapter are in the package. Place the extender halfway between your router and the area where you need to improve our coverage. Ensure it's within your router's range and note down your router's network name and password. Now connect to the extender to a power outlet. Wait for the power LED to turn solid green. On the extender, press the WPS button. Then press the WPS button on your router within 2 minutes. The WPS LED on the extender should turn green, indicating a successful connection. If your router supports dual brands, repeat the WPS process for the second brand. Now unplug the extender and place it in its final location. Ensure it's within the extended range of your router. Just look for extended network names and connect your devices using your router's password. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.